How to import DJI footage into LightCut app. First of all, make sure your DJI drone's footage is stored on your device or accessible via Wi-Fi. Open the LightCut app on your device and tap on the devices option in the top bar to connect to your DJI drone if you want to import directly, or select the new project button to browse your device gallery for DJI footage. Once your drone or device storage is connected, browse your recorded videos and select the clips you want to import. Tap import and your footage will appear in LightCut's timeline. Now you can start editing your clips using LightCut's tools like trimming, filters, AI-powered edit, one-tap edit, and Inspire Cam for cinematic effect. Organizing and importing your DJI footage correctly ensures smooth editing and a faster workflow. Now you know how to import DJI footage into LightCut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.